Today, we're talking about a bitter little plant with some seriously powerful benefits. Bitter melon. If you're dealing with high blood sugar, digestive issues, or looking for a natural way to support your immune system, bitter melon just might become your new best friend. So, what is it? How should you use it? And what are the potential side effects you should know about? Stick with me because we're going to cover it all. Bitter melon, also called bitter gourd or Momordica charantia, is a tropical vine in the same family as cucumbers and squash. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, especially for managing diabetes and digestive complaints. Now, I'll be honest, it's not winning any flavor contests. It's called bitter for a reason. But the health benefits, that's where things get interesting. First of all, blood sugar regulation. This is what bitter melon is best known for. It contains charlatan, polypeptide P, and lysine compounds that have insulin like effects. Studies suggest that bitter melon may help lower fasting blood sugar levels, improve glucose tolerance, and enhance insulin sensitivity. It's not a substitute for medication, but for some people, it may serve as a natural support tool, especially when combined with healthy eating and exercise. It's like a plant based partner for your pancreas. If you've ever had that healthy, sluggish stomach feeling after a meal, bitter melon might help. It stimulates digestive enzymes, supports liver function, and even has mild laxative effects. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off gut infections, including certain parasites and harmful bacteria. Bitter melon is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and other antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This means it could support immune function, skin health, and inflammation regulation. It may even lower the risk of chronic diseases over time. It may aid in weight management. Some research suggests bitter melon can reduce fat accumulation, improve fat metabolism, and suppress appetite slightly. Part of this is due to its ability to influence insulin and blood sugar, which, when out of balance, can lead to weight gain and sugar cravings. It has potential cancer fighting properties. We're still in the early stages here, but animal and lab studies show bitter melon may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. It appears to interfere with glucose metabolism in tumors and activate natural cell death pathways. More human research is needed, but the results so far are promising. Now, you might be wondering how you actually take this stuff. That's a great question. As a food, in many cultures, bitter melon is eaten stir fried, stuffed, or in soups. It is an acquired taste, but when cooked right, it's not bad. As a supplement, for those who want the benefits without the bitterness, you can find it in capsules, extracts, teas, and juices or tinctures. The typical dosage for bitter melon extract is about 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, usually divided into two doses. Always check the label and talk to your doctor or pharmacist before starting, especially if you're on blood sugar medications. Okay, let's talk about side effects. Because bitter melon isn't for everyone. These include nausea or stomach upset, diarrhea if taken in high doses, hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar, especially if you're on insulin or oral diabetic meds, and liver enzyme elevation in rare cases. You should avoid bitter melon if you're pregnant because it may stimulate uterine contractions. If you're breastfeeding, if you're taking medications for diabetes or blood pressure, unless you're supervised by a clinical professional, or if you have G6PD deficiency due to the risk of hemolytic anemia, the bottom line is it's powerful, so use it wisely. So, is bitter melon worth trying? If you're looking for a natural way to support your blood sugar, digestion, or inflammation, bitter melon is definitely worth exploring. Just be sure to talk to your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication or have underlying conditions. I've included a link in the description section to a high quality bitter melon supplement I recommend if you'd like to check it out. And now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried bitter melon? Was it in food or supplement form? Did it work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know your experience. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next pharmacist approved wellness tip. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.